Arutwo mathukuruini ma muthingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni marageire na mweke wa gukungwira muthi wa wendo thutha wa kugenerwo ni utongoria wa kaunti ya Nairobi ugitongorio ni Governor Johnson Sakaja. Sakaja uria urekinyitie thukuruini wa Aga Khan kuria thomeire augite riu mubango wa dishi na county uria ambiriirie ukoretwo na uguni munene kuri arutwo na makiria aria maumite family-ini iria itari na uhoti. Akiuga riu mubango uyu urahe arutwo irio makiria ma 300,000 o muthenya.
We feed children in all the public primary schools in Nairobi. And so we chose schools in all the sub-counties. We have teams in different places. We've done the mapping because you have to map the abed schools to the nearest public primary school. We're looking at the budget and the cost because we have more children actually out there than those who are in the public primary school. So even as we're building more classrooms, we have a target of 5,000. National government is doing 3,500, we're doing 1,500. Soon, once we get the budget provision, since we've done the mapping, at lunchtime they'll be able to come to the public primary school near to them, have their lunch and go back to their school.
Sakaja ni eraneire kurumbuyania na mathina maria mari thukuruini uyu wa Aga Khan na makiria kwaramia irathi cia nathari niguo kugacirithia muthingi wa ciana.
We want to do something with the ECD. We have some space on that side to build the classrooms because for now they just have 2 rooms and we have around 120 children. And so we are going to work, with the school administration to build a ablution block and an ECD school in the next financial year. So we just want to make sure we have the resources for that because, it's a school I went to, but I've started with others that are much more in need.
Nake mutumia wake Beatrice Sakaja na Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Susan Silantoi marekinyitie thukuruini wa Nairobi Primary gukungwira na arutwo.
It's Valentine's Day, so we decided to show some love to the kids in the Dishina County program. This is my alumni school. It's really great to be back. Nairobi Primary has many special memories for me, and I love talking to the kids today.
Excited to start off the program here as well. As you know, and the governor says this all the time, that Dishi is love in action. It is really just government choosing to care for its children and for its future.
Ngirifuatira Kameme TV ni Jetagwo Wagoi wa Muirore.